morning. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara. For those of you guys who are new here, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is a What I Eat in a Day collaboration that is hosted by Miss Amechi, and I am the co-host Ciara, so you guys can check out her links to her channel, and I should say channels because she also has Grandma Does It All. So I will have both of her channels linked in my description box down below, as well as the playlist. So I'm off to get ready for work. I just stopped at Chick-fil-A and I got a 5-count chicken nuggets and a hash brown because I already have a Starbucks drink that I am taking with me to work. So just to show you guys, I already have this, but I think I'm gonna run to Starbucks really quickly and just get me like a large caramel ribbon crunch, and that'll be my drink. All right, so just to show you, I got hash browns and 5 counts chicken and minis. Ketchup, because I'm allowed to eat my hash browns. So here I got my caramel ribbon crunch. It is kind of leaking, so I'm just going to set it right back down until I can wipe it out. So, haven't been to the grocery store lately, but I do plan on going sometime today or putting in an order for tomorrow to pick up. So I guess I'm gonna go get me a smoothie. Whatever the reason, you do it for me. Oh, what's love got to do? It's got to do with it. Hey, how are you? All right, so I got the kiwi quencher and I added fat burner. I don't know what fat is burning because at this point it never does. And I got the Miss Vicky sea salt and vinegar chips and a turkey bacon ranch sandwich. So that's gonna be my lunch for today. I really can't remember what exactly comes in the kiwi quencher, but I just know, Lord, that I can definitely taste the kiwi. The fat burner I can't necessarily taste. My sandwich is just like this. It has bacon, lettuce, tomato, cheese, and then turkey or whatever, and on ciabatta bread. But yeah, I have not been to the grocery store, so my problem is that I needed to eat out today for breakfast and lunch. hopefully when I get off this afternoon, I can run over to Food Lion, if I even have time to just grab like maybe 1 or 2 things to make for dinner. So I might end up just like letting Sky pick out 2 Lunchables for them, something simple, and then I'm gonna grab a pack of ground turkey and make some little meatballs, and then probably grab rice. Well, no, I have rice at home, so I'll do meatballs, rice, and then who knows, probably find some type of vegetable. I don't know, who feels like what I fix. It's really good. I have to take this inside with me and finish eating soon because it's 11:45 and that's my time to go back. I think in my lunchbox I bought fruit snacks and yogurt and birthday cake granola, which I put the granola in the yogurt, so I don't know if I'll eat that before I leave here, but I'm gonna try to eat this sandwich when I get back inside. As you guys seen from the time, it's 3:11 and I'm still sipping on this. I think it's like, if I'm not mistaken, it's down to right here. So I have drunken a good amount. So I think that for my afternoon snack, I had the yogurt in my lunchbox that I just never took out the lunchbox with the granola and some fruit snacks. So I'm gonna go home and have that as a snack. I was gonna get ready to run to Food Lion really quickly to grab the ground turkey for the dinner, but with a 20-minute window of needing to get the couple of items versus you know, like I said, just waiting till later, because I only have 20 minutes to shop and get what I need before I need to be home for Cam to get him off the bus. So it'll just happen later. Okay, so I am home. Still finishing up my smoothie, but I really decided to change my mind. I am going to, I gotta find my lunchbox, y'all. I am going to basically eat what's in my lunchbox as my snack. So I do have the 12 grams or the 80 calories of the Light and Fit Greek yogurt, right? So this is the vanilla flavor. I take this and I put in the birthday cake granola, which is really good. I get this at Kroger. It's like in between $2 and $3 for a pack. So I put that in there. And I also, like I said, have some Funables strawberry fruit snacks. So I'm gonna have those real quick because all right, so I am going to run around the corner to Food Lion and go ahead and get the ground turkey so that I can make the turkey meatballs. So I'll show you guys that because they are delicious. I still haven't ate my yogurt yet. That might be like my snack for after dinner, just because it's not hot, you know, it's been well kept. So all right, so I'm on my way to Food Lion. I'm just gonna go pick up a couple things and then get ready for dinner and kind of deal with the kids and sit back and relax. so I got what I needed. I'm heading home to make the meatballs, and I'm gonna have some broccoli and cheese with it, along with some rice. If you've made it this far in the video, you guys will see what I ate in a day for today, and I hope that you all give this video a thumbs up. I hope that you all subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you all check out the playlist that is linked in my description box down below, and let the other ladies in the playlist know that Sierra sent you. Have a good one.